Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma on Tuesday visited Langpi as part of goodwill gesture to send a strong message that both the government are committed to resolve the long-pending border differences. Both the chief ministers arrived together in a helicopter from Guwahati and landed at Langpi Bazaar and addressed a massive gathering, which was attended by people from the adjoining areas. The chairman of regional committees constituted by both Assam and Meghalaya were also present at the meeting. Assam was represented by Cabinet Minister Atul Bora, while Meghalaya was represented by Cabinet Minister Renington Lingdo Thongkhar. Chief secretaries of both the states, including senior officials, were also present at the meeting. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said, "It was an historic day for both the states as this visit will demonstrate the message of commitment between Assam and Meghalaya that has resolved to settle the border difference amicably."
At the very outset, I would like to thank Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma for having agreed and jointly decided to make this visit, to come here and meet the people of this area, discuss this issue of border differences that we have, and find an amicable way to resolve this very long pending issue. Friends, the people of Langpi area and 12 other areas in Assam and Meghalaya border have been suffering for the last 49 years, where because of the differences that exist, there have been incidents, there has been tension, and most importantly, precious lives have been lost. Our Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, who is like an elder brother to me, and myself, we decided that we need to do something about this. We decided that yes, this may be a very, very complex problem. There may be a lot of emotions, but it is our duty as leaders of the states to try and find a way forward. If we don't try, if we don't move forward, we will be failing in our responsibility that you, the people of Assam and Meghalaya, have bestowed on both of us. And with this sense of responsibility and commitment that we are here today, as a goodwill gesture, as a confidence building measure, to tell the people of this area that both the governments of Assam and the governments of Meghalaya are committed to finding a solution, an amicable and respectful solution to this very, very long pending demand or long pending issue that has caused large amount of suffering to the people of these areas. I once again thank all the concerned officials and more importantly the public that has come here, and once again would like to urge each and every one of you that we need to work together to find an amicable solution. This is not a simple task, this is not an easy task, but I keep telling the people in Meghalaya that it is this government in Meghalaya and the government led by Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma in Assam that has dared to take this issue up. No other government had dared to take this issue up because they were worried about the political consequences. But we are not here to think about the political consequences of what we do or don't do. But we are here to ensure that the difficulties that our people are facing, the challenges that our people face, we as responsible leaders would want to find a solution to this. And therefore, even if this is a very, very important and very difficult challenge, we have dared to take this up. And with all your blessings, I am sure that we will be able to amicably find a solution to the long pending border dispute between the two states. With these few words, thank you all. May God bless each and every one of you. Kublai Shibun, Matela, thank you, Dhanyavad, and Jai Hind.